Hi, we are Ronald and Andrea, and we are on a motorcycle trip around the world with Husqvarna 701. Once in a while we share with you our experience we made with the equipment or the things we put on the motorbike. Today I want to show you how we have modified the side stand to cope with different loadings. The problem is if you have a motorbike with a long travel like the Husqvarna, you see, the more you load, the more tends the bike to fall to the right side. And if we fully load it, we have to be careful that the bike is not falling over. On the opposite, if the bike is unloaded and the tank is empty, there's a tendency that the bike falls maybe to the left. So to avoid the situation to have two extremes of falling to the right, to the left or to the right, I built an extendable side stand. The concept is as follows, and thank you for Bernhard, who brought me to the idea to make an adjustable side stand. First I have a bolt, which is self-locking, a self-locking bolt. If I press a button, I take it out. So what I have done, I took the original stand from the Husqvarna and I cut out roughly 1 inch or 25 millimeters of the original length. When I put into the lower part here a tube where I drilled 3 holes into it. So this would be the original length. I can now shorten the side stand to this length, or I can extend it to that length. That means double the size which I have cut out. Yeah? And it's very simple now to adjust the side stand to different heights you need or lengths you need. So for our world trip we are mostly riding fully loaded. I use the shortest length. So this is just one idea, but of course I have a bonus idea for you. On grounds like this, like the grass or campgrounds, you have very often, especially after raining, soft grass, and there's a risk that your bike sinks into the grass overnight while it's raining and falls over. So to prevent this, the plate here, the plate underneath, is not big enough to prevent the sinking. So I made an additional platform . This is made out of stainless steel. It's an outdoor ashtray, very simple, made in China for, I paid €2 or €3 for it. And you can put it underneath. And this definitely for sure prevents the bike from sinking in. So you have additional security. The bike is not sinking overnight into the grass. And even if you need a different height, you can turn it around and you have a different height if the soil is too low and your extension of your side stand is even not long enough. You have additional 20 millimeters roughly on height. So very simple idea and very effective, and you won't believe it. We made it a couple of times camping already here in Chile and in Argentina, and on every second night we used exactly this concept to prevent the sinking in. Now you wonder how to put up the ashtray if you sit on a bike. Obviously my arms are not long enough, so I attached a cord to it. I can put it up. I take a nut, which is also attached to a cord. When I just turn here, to wind the cord around. So that's it, very simple. Stupid idea no one needs except us.